Launched is the Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you're wondering why Samsung is removing the 10x periscope zoom from the S24 Ultra, it's because, according to S24, one of Samsung's most trustworthy leakers, they're replacing it with a 50-megapixel 5x zoom. Samsung has been shipping their flagship phones with a 10x periscope zoom, which has been the highlight feature in Samsung flagships. It provides the S24 Ultra with an equivalent level of long-range magnification as the most recent iPhone 15 Pro Max. The sensor is much larger than the one in the S23 Ultra and has a 50-megapixel resolution as opposed to the S23 Ultra's 10-megapixel resolution. So from 5x to 10x it is expected that the quality will be similar to how it is on the S23 Ultra, but beyond that level when we talk about 20x or 30x or 40x, that's where the quality difference may not be as good as the S23 Ultra. Again, it all depends on Samsung's algorithm, but realistically if you think about it, a 5x periscope zoom digitally cropping to 20x or 30x, it's not gonna have the same quality as a 10x optical zoom that goes to 20 or 30x levels. As we have seen from recent instances using the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which has a similar arrangement, we may observe improved picture quality from 5 to 10x or the same as S23 Ultra, but anything beyond that raises serious concerns. Cost cutting is the reason why Samsung is actually replacing the 10x zoom with a 50-megapixel 5x zoom. It's also rumored that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will only use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all markets, although we have yet to see this verified by other reliable sources. This same source also claims that in addition to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Samsung may be increasing the RAM on the S24 Ultra to a whopping 16GB RAM. Samsung may have to seek for cost-saving measures since Qualcomm has increased the price of its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPUs, which is why they may be releasing this 50-megapixel 5x zoom model rather than the more common 10x zoom. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.